Welcome to Avyukta Intellicall Consulting Private Limited. In next 1 minute, you can see how to admin login and dashboard view. In browser type dialer IP and press enter. Dialer login page will be opened then. Now click on admin login button and in open pop-up please fill the admin login credentials, then click on login button. After login you will be on dashboard page, on which you can see stats on screen like total operators, process count, catalog count, and current operators count, and in the bottom of page today's calling stats will be shown. Now when you need to see process-wise stats then you can click on process, and then click on my process, and all available processes will be shown on page. Now you can click on desired process name, whose stats you want to see. Now once you entered in desired process, you can click Live Hills button, and it will take you to the live screen of that process, in which you can see live stats of operators, like in call waiting and paused along with its time. You can also see how many calls are getting dialed, how many live calls are there, and how many calls are waiting to connect to agent. You can see the number of dialable leads, which are available in dialer to dial. These numbers are the one which are uploaded in this process, so dialer can dial them when agents are ready mode to take calls. Now if you want to return the catalog, then first you need to click the dispositions or process page, which will be returned when return is initiated. You can select the disposition in process by adding desired dispositions, which are set earlier. Make sure new lead disposition must remain added in process, otherwise data will not be dialed. You can see the selected dispositions, which will be used in return, on live details page also, as shown above in this video, and this disposition will be available to return until you modify them. Now once your dispositions are set then you can click on catalog button. Once you click on catalog button, then click on my catalog. It will show you the list of all available catalogs, which you can return. Now you can click on catalog ID, which you want to return, and a new page will be opened now. On this new open page you just need to select reset lead called status, for this catalog option to yes, and then click on submit. And the selected catalog will return the selected dispositions in next 15 to 25 seconds. And now when you open live details of your process page, then you can see the count of returned leads in dialable leads section. Thank you for watching this video.